Hello everyone, welcome to another video from MaXXmike videos on YouTube, and welcome to tutorials.maxxmike.com. Now, in this video, we're going to look at this keyword phrase, how does Google Trends work? Now, mind you, I tried making this video yesterday and it did not turn out well. I'm not sure what happened, but when I tried to upload a video, all I got was blurry screen. Now, I decided to make this video here on the New Year's Eve. Hopefully, you guys will be able to watch this video, and hope you guys have a wonderful New Year when it comes. And you're looking forward to a prosperous 2025 in your online business. Now, if you're not a member of my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my video channel, and please share a video to your friends, whoever you'd like to see these videos. Now, I can be found hanging out here at this cool website called Wealthy Affiliate. You can come by and check it out anytime you like. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can come and look around for yourself. It's no money to join. It's completely free to join, and you can stay as long as you want. So here we go now. Now, in this video, as I said before, we're going to look at this search term called how does Google Trends work? Now, on the technical side, I don't really know how Google Trends work, but we're going to let you see what Google Trends will do for you if you're looking to build a website, doing some research, trying to get some content ideas, trying to see if what you're thinking about, people are actually looking for this online. Now, Google Trends is going to tell us if people are actively searching or they're not searching. It's also going to tell us the times of the day. It's going to tell us throughout the year. It's going to tell if this is a seasonal item or if it's an evergreen a product or service or whatever you're thinking about. If it's evergreen meaning it's always in demand. All right, so here we're going to do, we're going to go to Google. I'm going to type in trends and let's search for trends. Now, I'm here in the Bing Webmaster Tools and with my website MaXXmike.com, and I've been getting some inquiries for this particular phrase. Not much. I see just 5 impressions. No click-through rate. I'm right now at 10.8 position, and we're going to see if people are, there are a few people looking for this phrase. We can see that, but let's see how many are doing so. When I did the video yesterday, it wasn't many. It was very few. So let's try again. Let's go to Google. Let's type in trends. It's already here for us, and let's go to the first results, and we're going to go to the hamburger icon here. We're going to click on explore, and we're going to type in our search phrase. Our search phrase was, how does Google Trends work? As I said before earlier, on the technical side, we don't really know how Google Trends work. What we do know is what it will do for us when we're doing our research. We know it shows where the searches are being taking place. In the United States, we can do the world, we can do countries. We can see here, we can go through each country that they have listed here. The Maldives, Malaysia, Mongolia. We can see New Zealand. We can see Norway, Oman, Pakistan. We can see all these countries where we can do a search. It's going to tell us past 12 months. It's going to tell us also the past hour, past 4 hours, past day, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 5 days, 2024 to present. And we can search by categories as well, if you want to just stick to narrow down our idea. And we can do searches for the web, image, the news, Google Shopping, and YouTube search. Now we can see we have some search here where people have been looking already up. It's going to tell us, I'm not sure what some of these phrases are. We'll have to go in depth and look at them. But what we're going to look at now is our phrase, which is how does Google work? All right, we're going to search here. As we can see, not much happening with this phrase. We can see since the past 12 months, we have only 2 states actually looking up this phrase, and when we have one peak in around September, October, we have one peak here in December 15 to 21. All right, so we can see it's not much happening for this phrase. There's another related search down here. What procedure Does this text teach reader? Let's click on this, what it's saying. We get an error message. I'm not sure why that happened. This is kind of weird. Let's go back. It's kind of odd. Let's try again. Okay, let's go back. You don't see that often. Let's click here and see what we get. We can see nothing is happening for this phrase. And this would not be a good term to target because we can see not much is happening for this phrase. It's not a term that people are actively using. Let's say California. Again, not much happening here. Now, let's try another term where we can see how well this term is doing and how often people are searching for this term. We know we can use Google keyword tool, and we can see search volume. We can see actual data in terms of how much times actively people are searching. It's going to tell if it's typing in for 100 times a month or 1,000 times a month. Now, Google's Search Console will tell us that, but you have to sign up for a Google AdWords account to be able to see those data. So we're going to look now for another phrase. We're going to look at what I was using yesterday. We're going to type in luxury cars. I want to use this term. As we can see, this term is being actively searched online. We can see this is almost an evergreen market, evergreen niche. We can see there's actually almost no dip that much in this search term. So from December 2023 all the way to December 2024, it's consistent. This is what you want to see, consistency when you're trying to research a search phrase. We can see the states that are searching for these actively. Georgia meaning the top state that's looking up this particular phrase, luxury cars. And we can see New York is next, Oregon is next. And we can click on Georgia. It's going to kind of break it down some more. It's going to tell us exactly where in Georgia they're searching. It's just going to tell us Albany, Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, Augusta, Georgia, Macon, Georgia, Columbus, Georgia. We can see the places where, and we can also see the related queries that they are searching for. We can see they have luxury car rentals, most reliable SUV, Hertz luxury cars, Chinese luxury cars, best luxury cars 2024. Maybe I'll go in this niche because it seems it's pretty well. Porsche Macan, Toro, Porsche Cayenne. We can see Avis rental car. We can see 10 CarMax. We can see people are actively looking up for these cars. We can see the G-Wagon. So if you be able to build a site around this, then you can target these in your article writings and videos. You can target these states by putting these names in the title of your video. This is where the people that are searching for these, you'll be able to get listed pretty easily. We can see, we can see Dothan, Alabama. We can see Florida. We can see Tennessee. We can see Tallahassee. We can see Georgia here. We can see exactly what's going on with the search phrase. And let's click on the G-Wagon. And we can see the G-Wagon, and we can see exactly, other search phrases when it comes to the G-Wagon. We can see the G-Wagon in 2025. We can see another G-Wagon here. We can see, a golf cart. So related terms, are important as well. We can see it's a steep climb for this term. People are actively searching for this phrase. So, this will give you a great idea or a good idea to, target this in your marketing efforts. So again, how Google Trends work when it comes to on the technical side, the inner workings of Google Trends, that question I cannot answer. But when it comes to finding out how Google Trends can help us in our marketing efforts, it can do this pretty well. It can help us and give us some idea before we jump ahead into either building a website or starting a pay-per-click campaign or a PPC campaign. I also like trends for a pay-per-click campaign because we can target the areas where people are actually searching for our product or service, so we don't waste money. So if you were, say for instance, advertising a G-Wagon, you know exactly where to go. The guys in Georgia looking for you. So you can target the Georgia folks, the Jacksonville guys. We can click on Atlanta, Georgia. You can see what it does. And it's actually, it peaked around here and it's kind of flatlined out. So now we know, it says, we can see. So it stopped, it peaked around in December, February, it peaked. I think it just plateaued out. So almost actually nothing is happening. And we can see where there was actually looking for it. People looking for logos, Cybertruck. So this gave us a good idea before we go ahead and build out a site. If we had, a constant peak here, we could say, oh yeah, wow, amazing. But yeah, this is how much information you can get in from the Google Trends tool, and it can help us with our marketing efforts. Let's type another one in real quick before this video ends. Let's type in, let's say, box truck. Let's type in box truck, and we can see happening nothing in Georgia, but we don't want just Georgia. We want to go back a little bit. Let's go back. Let's type in box truck here. All right, we can see in box truck here. We can see it's in Georgia. We can see people are searching for box truck. Well, what type of box are they looking for? Cam locker toolbox. Cam locker. This is probably a brand. Box truck jobs. CDL. Okay. People or no CDL. No CDL. So people looking for jobs where they can drive a box truck and they don't need to use a CDL. People co-part truck in the box. This is, I believe it's an auction site. And box truck insurance cost. All right, so we can see here, box truck tool organizer. We can see it seemed like a good niche to enter. Let's see the box truck jobs, no CDL. And we can see Atlanta, not much is happening here. So we can go back. Even if people were searching, the search dropped off. I'm not sure why this thing is doing this to me today. I have a tendency to just start for no reason. So what we're going to do, since the video is, here we go. It came back up and beautiful, beautiful. And I hope you get something from this video. If you have any questions regarding using Google Trends and some more explanation, like me to help you out a bit, please send me a message below the video, or you can comment in the video and I'll respond to you. So basically, this is how Google Trends works in terms of trying to use it to find keywords and before you go ahead and build a website. And I believe it's a great tool to use before you jump ahead to starting a marketing campaign, or before you start building a website. This will give you some ideas. This will give you the tools that you need. Keywords, people are searching the actual keywords, related keywords, to get your marketing efforts up and running. So again, thanks for watching my video. Again, if you'd like to come and visit me to find out where I'm hanging out, you can come here. Wealthy Affiliate. It's a wonderful place to be. Also, this is not a pitch for you to come and join this program. I'm just telling you that it's here, and it's a great resource. I've been here for a minute, and I've gained so much knowledge from this place that it's amazing. So you can learn as well, and do your thing and get your marketing efforts up and running and keep going. So again, keep growing, keep living, keep on pushing forward in 2025. Love and respect to you all. Take care now.